Right then, Sean, so this is your first attempt at a foundation tier paper. Let's see how you find it. That's correct. You need two numbers. You've only written one number there. 7 9s are 63 and 60 divided. So that's one mark you dropped. That's good. 8 out of 15, good. That's correct. Now, that is called a trapezium. And that's called a pentagon. And what you'll see as we practice these papers is there are certain shapes that you need to know the names of, and you will learn them pretty quickly. So total for that first page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 marks. That's good. That's good, but you haven't labelled your axis, and there will be a mark specifically for labelling your axis. So this one is the frequency, and this one is the mark. Okay, so you're going to lose a mark because you haven't done that. That's right, and that's right. Well done. 7 for the page. Good. That's right, but that one is also equal to a quarter, so you only get 1 mark for that. That's right, and that's right. And you've written because, which means that is becoming an explanation, so you get your 2 marks for that. That's right, well done. £2.84 is wrong, but if you then take £2.84 away from £10, you get that. So you only get 1 out of the 2 marks there. Total for the page, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. The actual height of the car would be 1.5 meters, not 1.5 centimeters. I can then see no method for what you've done to get that, so you aren't going to get any marks for that question. Take a look how I explain it on the video clip, and again, there'll be lots of those you'll see coming up over the on the exam papers over the next few months. That's correct, that's correct, well done. You should be able to do that. It's pretty low level probability. Take a look at how I explained that on my solution video. That's pretty much all we've been doing since you've been with me in class, so it alarms me quite a bit that you can't answer that question. Angle properties, you will certainly have done on the higher tier. It's not 0.03 because the next number is 5 or bigger, so it rounds to 0.04. But 4.887 is correct. 2 marks on that page. 17 is right. 36 is a square number, it's not a cube number. The cube number you get by taking a number and multiplying it by itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So 27 is the cube number. Scale factor of 3. So that needs to be 3 times as large. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be right. That needs to be 3 times as large, which means it needs to be 9, and so on. But you haven't done enough there for the marks. X equals 3 is correct. 7x equals 4 is right, but then what you have to do is get the x on its own. So you have to divide by 7. So what I'm looking for there is the answer 4 over 7. So you're going to lose a mark for not getting it down that far. 11r plus 2 is correct. And here, what you've missed is that it's a minus times a minus, which makes that a plus. But for yours, that is correct. So you're going to lose the mark for expanding the brackets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 600 times 20 divided by 0.3, but then you haven't done anything with it. Okay, Sean, total for the page then, 7, 14, 23, 26, 28, 29, 37, 38. Okay, so 38 is quite a long way from where you need to be, but it is a new style paper that you have to get used to. That's a grade F as it stands, 2 marks off an E, but more than 20 marks off a grade C. But it gives you a base, and I'm sure you will build on that over the next few months.